Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Ocube. Today's tutorial is gonna be on how I did this beautiful trending gele. So if you're new here for the first time, do consider subscribing, and if you're returning, thanks for always coming back. I love you all and you guys are super amazing. So without much ado, let's get started with this tutorial. See you all in my next one. So guys, I'm just going to place the attire on my model's head, then I form my plates. Just watch, I'm dragging the plates. I'm just trying to drag the plates. If you've not seen my previous attire tutorials, please go and watch them. They might be useful to you, you never can tell. So now I'm just trying to form the plate, and I'll tell my model to help me hold one part while I form the other plate at the other side to make sure it doesn't overlap one another. I'm just trying to arrange it step by step. You can form as many plates as you want. So then I arrange the other aspect of the ashoke. So I'll just ask my model to help me hold while I form more plates. Then I'll ask her to help me hold it as I'm forming the plate. So this is just it. I'm just still trying to achieve my plates, and I'm also trying to make sure it doesn't overlap one another. So now that I've formed my plate and it's flat on her forehead, I'll carry it over to the back and cross each other just like that. Then now I'll come to the other side because I want to do a bow at the side. So I'll twist it in a way like as if I want to do a knot, but I'm not actually doing a knot. So after I've twisted it, then I'll roll the edge of the ashoke over until it exhausts to the end. Then I carry the other aspect of the ashoke and roll it like from where the other one stopped, just like that. I don't know if you understand what I'm even saying. So but if you have any question, you can put it down in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you all. So I'm just trying to make sure I form like a bow at the edge. So after that, I'll pin the edges to make sure the bow comes out looking all fine. Then I'll use another pin to secure it firmly to the pleated aspect of the ashoke, so it looks really nice. So this is it, guys. It's actually very simple and everybody can actually do this. I did it in less than 3 minutes actually, so it's very easy and beautiful. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I will definitely see you all in my next one. You guys are super amazing. Much love. Bye.